Good morning, children. So, I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to see about the tens and ones. Okay, so we have already learned how you will write the numbers in the tens and ones place. Okay, now today we are going to see here. Now see here, there are two boxes. How many boxes are here? Two boxes are here. Okay, see here. See here, I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 10 balls. For 10 balls, so I have kept one box. Next, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many tens are there? This is one tens. Idu oru tens, idu oru tens. Okay, how many tens are there? 1, 2 tens are there. So how will you write? How many tens are there? See here and see here. In here, okay, see here. How many tens are there? 1, 2. So you write 2 tens are there. So you count how many balls are there inside one box. So 10 balls are there inside one box. And here also 10 balls are there in the next box. So this is 1 10. This is second tens. 1, 2 tens are there. So how many ones are there? How many balls are remaining balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are there. Okay. So see children. So how will you write according to tens and ones places? So see here. Count how many tens are there. 1, 2. 2 tens. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 ones are there. Okay. So now next you see here. See here. Next I have drawn one more box here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. See here. See. See here. See here children. Now tell me how many tens boxes are there. So I have kept 10 balls in each boxes. So listen here. I have I have drawn 10 balls in each box. Over box 10 balls irukku. So this is 110. This is another 110. This is another 110. So how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. So now count and tell me how many boxes of tens are there? எத்தனை box இருக்கு? Tens box எத்தனை இருக்கு? 1, 2, 3. So you write 3 tens. Okay? 3 tens are there. Now count. இதுல full tens இல்ல remaining. கொஞ்சம் தான் இருக்கு. So how many ones are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many ones are there children? 7. So 3 tens and 7 ones. So so see here carefully. I have arranged in 3 boxes 10 balls in each box. Over a box 10 balls I have kept. So you count how many boxes are there and write how many tens are there. Then how many remaining ones are there, you count and write. So if you do this exercise, you will easily catch it. Okay, now see here. So see here, take this book, page number. So take the numbers book. Take the numbers book. Okay, children, take the numbers book. Now take page number 27. Page number 27. So in the first, what do you see? Pot. How many pots are there? See here, children. How many pots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 pots are there. Okay, now inside the pots, some stones are there. So inside each box, some stones are there. Stone irukka over box kullayum. Over a box kullayum stones irukama. So some stones are there inside each box. So in in the first pot la எத்தனை stones இருக்குன்னு count பண்ணுங்க. Count and tell me in the first pot. First pot la எத்தனை இருக்குன்னு count and tell me. Okay? So count, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many balls or how many stones or how many balls are there in the first pot? 10. So count in the second. 10. Next also 10 only. If you count in all the pots, in each and every pot, 10 balls are there. So how many pots are there altogether? எத்தனை pot இருக்கு with 10 balls? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many tens are there? இந்த tens கிட்ட dash இருக்கு. Tens பக்கத்துல ஒரு dash இருக்கு. So how many tens pot are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and remaining balls are there. Now count how many ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Okay, children. So do you understand this? Do you understand this, children? So now see the next. Bunch of grapes. Bunch of grapes are there and separate grapes irukku. So now see here in the first bunch la எத்தனை grapes irukku? Count how many grapes are there. Okay, children. Now take your pencil and count. Keep your pencil here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the first bunch, ஒரு bunchல எத்தனை grapes இருக்கு? 10 bunch. இந்த second bunchல count பண்ணுங்க. If you count, the same 10 will be there. 10 grapes, 10 grapes. Okay, இது bunch இருக்கு. இது தனித்தனியா இருக்கு. They are separate. Separate இருக்கிறத count பண்ணுங்க. Bunch இருக்கிறத you have to write in the tens place. How many bunches are there? எத்தனை bunch of grapes இருக்கு? இதுல ஒரு 10, இதுல ஒரு 10. So how many tens are there? 1, 2. So 2 tens and how many ones are there? Count பண்ணுங்க. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 ones. Okay, children. 9 ones. So you have to write this. 2 tens, 9 ones. This will be easy. Now see here logs. See here, இது வந்து bundle. 1 to how many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3 bundles. So how many tens bundles are there? 3 bundles. 10 10 எத்தனை bundles வச்சிருக்கு? 3. 3 bundles. So write 3 bundles. 3 tens. Okay, 3 tens are there. Okay, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in one bundle, 10 logs are there. The second also 10 is there. And the third also 10 is there. So how many bundles of 10 logs are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens and how many ones remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones are there. So you have to count like this and write. Okay, children. So how many set of books are there? How many set of books are there in this table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 set of books. How many 10 set of? எத்தனை set இருக்கு? 10 sets. Only one. So write 110. 110 and how many ones? Count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ones are there. Okay, children. Okay, now next. Crayons box are there. How many crayons box are there? With crayons. Crayons ஓட எத்தனை crayon box இருக்கு? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 tens. See in the last picture you see carefully. Is there any crayons? உள்ள ஏதாவது crayons இருக்காமா? No. So 0. Nothing. If there is nothing means what number will you write? 0. So 0 ones. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 0 ones. Okay, children. So you have to write like this. So you have to complete this page. So complete this page for today's homework. Okay, children. Complete this page for today's homework, tens and ones. Okay, now close this note. Now you tell me the number name for 1, 2, 3. We have learned 1, 2 and 3 already. 4 till 5 you'll be writing for the test. So 1. So now spell after me. O-N-E. 1. Okay. So see here. T-O. What is this number? 2. So what letter will come here? Missing letter. So I'll give like this. See here. I'll be giving like this. Write the missing letters. So for the number name, I'll be giving like this. O-N dash. The dash la enna varum? You have learned the number name. Number name படிச்சிருக்கீங்க. So tell me what letter will come here. 1. Number name vandu 1. For number name 1, what letter is missing? Endha letter miss ஆகுது? O-N? Yes, O-N-E. 1. You have to write like this. Miss எங்கனாலும் dash கொடுப்பேன். I may give here. See, now tell me. T-O. T-W-O. Okay? You have to write like this. T-W-O. For this, you have to learn the number name thoroughly. Number name thorough padchada, you can write the missing letters. Okay? Now 3. So for 3, see here, I have written like this. T-H. See here, see the board. See the board carefully. So where I have written the, so see, where I have put the dash. T-H-E-E. So where this, what letter will be coming in this place? Okay, what letter will be coming in this place? Which letter will come? Which letter will come, children? So you have learned the number name 3. Tell me. T-H-R-E-E. So R is missing here. R inga illa. So the missing letter is R. R ninga inga edunum. Ibdi keta ninga ibdi edunum. Okay. Now 4. So for 4, F. So you can't see the board. So I'll write here. See here. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Tell me. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. So repeat after me. F-O-U-R. 4. So I'll be giving the letter, missing letter like this. F-O-R. So how will you write, children? F-O-U-R. 4. Okay. Or I'll be giving F-U-R. So you must know this spelling thoroughly. So you have to write F-O-U-R. 4. Okay. So missing letter. I'll be giving the missing. I'll give the missing letter in any part of this word. Okay. So sometime I'll be giving F-O-U dash. So you have to write R. 4. Then only you'll be getting correct. So you have you have to study the number name. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Okay. So 1, 2. So today's homework, what you should do is, you divide the column page into 2. First page you divide into 2 and write O-N-E-1 one side, T-W-O-2 on the next side. So first page you divide into 2, O-N-E-1 first side, you spell and write. While writing itself you should spell O-N-E-1, O-N-E-1, like that you should spell and write. Next 2, T-W-O-2. Then only you will remember the spelling. Missing letter கேக்கும்போது அப்பதான் தெரியும். T-W-O சொல்லிட்டே இந்த பேஜை எழுதிரணும். After this, second page, next rough note. I told you to write in the rough note. So rough note எடுத்து next pageல same. இப்படி உங்க மம்மியை டிவைட் பண்ணி தர சொல்லுங்க. So 3 we have learned. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Okay. And next side you write 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Okay. So while writing, you should spell and write. சொல்லாம எழுதுனீங்கன்னா இப்படி சும்மா பார்த்து எழுதுனீங்கன்னா you can't understand anything and you don't know to write the missing letters. So சொல்லிக்கிட்டே எழுதணும். T H கடைசி வரைக்கும் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே எழுதணும். R E E E 3. Till here you have to spell and write. 4 full spell பண்ணி எழுதணும். F-O-U-R. 4. Okay children. F-O-U-R. 4. So till here 2 pages, you're going to divide the page and write like this for today's homework. So in the numbers book also I have given a homework for you, and in this rough note also I have given a homework for you. Okay. So you have to do those 2 homework. Next is what we have learned in the, see here, next is environmental studies. So take this book. Take page number 25. So last week we have learned this. Take page number 25. So these are the parts of the computer. Okay, you see the picture. So it is like a TV screen. So what is this? This is a monitor. So you have to what is this? This is a monitor. So you have to match it. I have told you already, monitor. And what is this? Keyboard. Keyboard. This is CPU, this box. This is CPU and this is CD-ROM drive. Okay, this we have already finished this page. Now today you turn the next page. Take page number 26. So we are learning the different parts of the computer. So you know the different parts of the computer. Okay, so you might have the computer in your home. So you ask your parents to show the different parts of the computer. So see here, mouse. So mouse, see here, this is the mouse. See the picture, this is the mouse. Okay, mouse, you have to match it here. Okay, what is this? This you know. What is this? This is the, what is this, ma? This is the CD. Okay, good. This is the CD. So this you know. These two you know. Then what is this? This is the floppy. Floppy. Okay, floppy. And this is the printer. Printer. Okay, and this last, what is this, children? Scanner. This is the scanner. Okay, scanner. Okay, so this they have here, they have matched it wrongly. Here it is matched wrongly. So see the picture. So when you see the picture, you have to tell me what is that part, particular part. Okay, then a part neenga sollano. This is the scanner. What is this? Scanner. What is this, children? This is the CD. So this you all know, CD. And what is this? This also you know, mouse. What is this? Mouse. And what is this, children? Floppy. What is this? Floppy. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? This is the, what is this? Printer. Okay. So when you see the pictures, so when you see the picture, you have to tell me what part it is. So see here, this is the scanner. So repeat after me. What is this? Scanner. CD. What is this? Mouse. And what is this, children? Floppy. And what is this? Printer. What you have to do is you take a pencil and with the help of your parent, you match all the words correctly. Okay. Mouse means you have to match it to the mouse. So with the help of your parents, you match it. And if I ask you name the parts of the computer, you have to tell all the parts. Name the parts. அப்படின்னு கேட்டா இந்த பேஜ்ல உள்ளது, இந்த பேஜ்ல உள்ளது, you have to tell everything. So you tell me again. See the book. What is this? Monitor. What is this, children? Monitor. What is this? CPU. See the picture. CPU. What is this? This is the keyboard. What is this? Many keys are there. Keyboard. What is this, children? This is the CD-ROM drive. Okay. Next, see here, next page. So what is this, children? Scanner. What is this? Scanner. What is this? CD. This is mouse. Okay. And what is this, children? Floppy. And what is this at last? Printer. Okay. If I ask you, name the parts of the computer, I'll ask you, name the parts of the computer, means you have to tell all these parts. Okay. Okay. So you finish these two pages. Last week we have finished this page. So today you finish this page number 26. Okay. Okay. Now keep that, close it and keep it. Now next, உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் தமிழ் புக்ல ரெண்டும் you should know all the words orally. ஓரலா எல்லா வேர்ட்ஸும் சொல்லணும். So tell me, உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் எத்தனை இருக்கு? உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் 12. உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் எத்தனைமா? உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் 12. மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் எத்தனை? உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் எழுதுறீங்களா? ஆனா, ஆவன்னா, ஈனா எழுத தெரியுமா? உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் 12. மெய் எழுத்துக்கள்னா புள்ளி வச்ச எழுத்துக்கள் எல்லாம் மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் எத்தனை? மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் 18. உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் எத்தனை? உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் 12. மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் 18. புள்ளி வச்ச எழுத்து ஃபுல்லா மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் தான். ஓகே, மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் 18, உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் 12. கேட்டா சொல்லணும். Now orally you should tell, see the picture. இந்த பிக்சரை பார்த்து நீங்க சொல்லணும். ஓரலா நீங்க பிக்சரை பார்த்து சொல்லணும். அ அகல், ஆ ஆகாய விமானம், பிக்சர் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. இ ரதம், ஏற்கனவே படிச்சது. ஈ ஈசல், உ உரல், ஊ ஊசி, அதுக்கப்புறம் ஏ எலி, ஏ ஏரி, ஐ ஐங்கோணம், ஓ ஒலிபெருக்கி, ஓ ஓநாய், ஔ ஔடதம். இது வரைக்கும் தான் உயிரெழுத்துக்கள், ஔ வரைக்கும். இந்த அக்கன்னா வந்து ஆயுத எழுத்து. இந்த 3 புள்ளி வச்சிருக்குல்ல, இந்த 3 புள்ளி வச்சிருக்க எழுத்து வந்து ஆயுத எழுத்து. சரியா? இது எக்கு. என்னது? எக்கு. சரியா? நெக்ஸ்ட் மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் எத்தனை இருக்குன்னு சொன்னேன்? 18. மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் எத்தனை? 18. இப்ப சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். இக்கு கொக்கு. இக்கு வருதா? புள்ளி வச்சிருக்கா? எல்லா எழுத்துலயும் புள்ளி வச்சிருக்கா பாத்தீங்களாமா? எல்லாத்துலயும் புள்ளி வச்சிருக்கு. இது ஃபுல்லா மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். இக் கொக்கு, இங் சங்கு, இச் தச்சர், இஞ்ச் ஊஞ்சல், இட் சட்டை, 3 சுழி இன். இது இன் பூண்டு, இத் நத்தை, இந்த் பந்து, இப் ஆப்பிள், இம் இம் பம்பரம், இ காய்கறிகள், இர் தேர், இவ் இல் சேவல், யுவ் செவ்வந்தி, இல் தாழ்பால், இல் தேல், இர் நெற்றி, இன் 2 சுழி இன் மான். சரியா? நீங்க வந்து இது ஃபுல்லா ஓரலா கரெக்டா தரவா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. அப்புறம் எழுதும்போது உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும். ஆனா அவனா ஏற்கனவே நீங்க எல்கேஜில எழுதி பழகிருப்பீங்க. தெரியல மறுபடியும் ஆனா ஆவன்னா ஈனா. இப்ப இந்த வீக் நீங்க ஈஎன்னா போட்டுறணும். இவ்வளவு லெட்டர்ஸ் கரெக்டா தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். ஓகே, இதே நம்ம லேட்டா எழுதுறோம். ஸோ மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணணும் அதுக்குள்ள. ஸோ ஆனா ஆவன்னா ஈனா ஈஎன்னா. ஈஎன்னாக்கு இப்படி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒரு ஸ்லீப்பிங் லைன், 2 ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன், அப்புறம் உள்ள ஒரு புள்ளி, வெளியே ஒரு புள்ளி. ஓகே, இது நீங்க எழுதியிருக்கணும் தமிழ் நோட்ல. இந்த லெட்டரை நீங்க எழுதியிருக்கணும் ஃபுல்லா. ஓகே, இவ்வளவு ஹோம்ஒர்க் யூ ஹேவ் டு கம்ப்ளீட். இந்த லெட்டர் ஈஸியான லெட்டர். ஈஎன்னா ஈசல். ஈசல் படிச்சோம்ல. இது மட்டும்தான் கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். இவ்வளவு நாள் எழுதியாச்சு. ஸோ ஈஎன்னா எழுதுங்க, குவிக்கா போகணும். ஈஎன்னா இதை எழுதி முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் நாளான்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்து டே ஆஃப்டர் டுமாரோ நம்ம ஊனா படிக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபினிஷ் எவ்ரிதிங். ரைட் குவிக்லி. சீக்கிரமா எழுதினாதான் மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் இவ்வளோ லெட்டர்ஸும் எழுதணும், எழுத தெரியணும். இக்கு இங்கு இச்சு எல்லாமே எழுத தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். ஸோ ரைட் குவிக்லி. ஈஎன்னா நாளைக்கு எழுதியிருக்கணும். ஓகே, தென் ஷால் வி see tomorrow children. நாளைக்கு பார்க்கலாம். So thank you. Bye.